Hello, and welcome to a quick introduction to the new Haws Modular Outdoor Bottle Filler and Drinking Fountain series. This new product is unique in the industry and continues Haws' dedication to introducing new and unique products in the drinking fountain space. We've been innovating as a family-owned company for over 100 years since Luther Haws invented the modern drinking fountain. This is just our latest step. Let's take a look. So the key feature of this fountain is its modularity. It is completely flexible. The Haws Modular Outdoor Drinking Fountain and Bottle Filler allows customization to fit individual sites' wants and needs. The key thing is, typically when you're buying an outdoor fountain, you're stuck with your choice, and it doesn't allow for growth or change. You buy a fountain with a dog bowl and a drinking fountain, and then later on want to add a bottle filler, you can't do that. Here you can, and there are lots of configurable options. We allow for bottle fillers, dog bowls, fountains, and hose bib placements. So this adaptable series provides the option to interchange the arms and other accessories either before or after installation, so you can grow with your needs. Shown here is the model 3611 with a dog bowl. This has a center bottle filler and a sidearm drinking fountain and a dog bowl. If you wanted to add an additional drinking fountain, you could do that. You could take off the bottle filler, you could spin it around. Totally flexible with all sorts of configuration options. That is unique in the market. Let's take a look at some of the features and benefits. The unit includes a robust matte powder coated exterior for a nice clean look. Here you see one of our standard colors, a very sleek silver, very modern looking. It is more of a squared look other than quite different than the round tubular ones you see in the market today. Much more modern, sleek look. Standard colors are the silver shown here, blue and green, and we also do custom colors as well, just about anything you want. The units are vandal resistant with a durable 3/16" thick steel exterior and a phosphate undercoat underneath the powder coating. As with all our outdoor fountains, we include our proprietary 5874 mechanical push button activation for both the bottle filler and the drinking fountain that allows quick front access, adjustability, and maintenance to this model. Very easy to get at for your facility managers. The unit includes a 1 gallon per minute flow rate and is both ADA compliant and certified by the CSA. One of the key features of this unit is that it's very easy to install and access the internal plumbing. Our engineer on the product, Mike Joyer, likes to say that the unit is like a set of giant Lego blocks. So you start with a standard tower, and then you add the side arms and the top pieces. You can take them off for installation. You can see the side plates, which are mounted on there nice and tidily. You can hardly see them from a small distance away, but you can pop those off for your initial installation, giving you full access to the plumbing. Also, the center tower is very light and easy to move around, unlike other outdoor units that are out there now. So there's a modular functionality for the arm placement. You can put the side arms on one of 3 different sides. You can put the bottle filler in any direction you like. You can move around the accessories as well. So the pedestal is equipped with 4 hydration placement options and 3 lower accessory options. So everything is interchangeable, and you can move around the components. You can move around the push button to any one of 4 sides. You can move around the bubbler head on the drinking fountain to any one of 4 sides. Lots of modularity and flexibility on this unit. Right now, we've come up with over 200 configurations just in our first series. You can't have that with any other model out there in the market. Other features include color customization, as I talked about, plus the bottle icon shown here on the right can be in either a black or silver or custom colors as well. We can also customize the drain plate logo. Shown here is one we did for the city of Vancouver. If you look at that unit on the right, that's unique to the market. It's a bottle filler going in 2 different directions for a bike path. If you want to take that bottle filler off or change the direction or add a drinking fountain, you can do that after it has been installed. Standard colors, as I mentioned, were the silver shown before, the blue here, plus a green. So although there are hundreds of different configurations available, we have 4 standard configurations that I'll take you to from left to right. First of all, the 3602 is a standard tower with a drinking fountain and a sidearm drinking fountain. The 3610 is a standalone bottle filler. Again, you can index that in any one of 4 directions. The 3611, shown here with the dog bowl accessory, is a sidearm drinking fountain and a main bottle filler. Again, you can mix and match those. And the 3612 is a high-low ADA compliant drinking fountain with a center bottle filler. Looking at this slide, other potential model configurations, just a few, you can see the wealth of possibilities. On the right, there's a very unique fountain with 3 bottle fillers. Again, you can change those directions. If you want to take off a bottle filler and add a drinking fountain, you can do that. If you want to take off all 3 bottle fillers and add drinking fountains, you can do that as well. So many, many different configurations out there and available. So you can configure your own combination of accessories. Both of the sides, the back, and the top of the modular pedestal can have accessories. Our first generation accessories include a dog bowl, hose bib, and a lockable hose bib. As far as the numbering configuration, so you can order easily, all the units are the standard 3600 series, so the first 2 digits are a 36. The 3rd digit is the number of bottle fillers. The 4th digit is the number of drinking fountains. And the hyphenated last 2 digits are the color. So this one, the example is a 3612-02, would be a main tower with 1 bottle filler, 2 drinking fountains, and in the number 2 color, which is blue. That concludes our overview of the Haws Modular Outdoor Bottle Filler and Drinking Fountain. For more information, please visit our website at hawsco.com or call customer service at 888-640-4297. Thanks, and have a great day.